So here is an old AC/DC power supply that I've been using with my electric screwdriver drill, and I have dropped it so many times that the plug is bent and doesn't work well in standard sockets, so in power outlets. So I took a saw blade and I cut most of the way through. I'm gonna take it off and put on a standard power cable from a PC. Hopefully it'll have less problems when falling down. So let's see. Oh yes, it's coming. Okay, it's soldered and I think I broke it. Okay, I broke one. I'll desolder the other one. I hope. Hey, come off. What? It doesn't want to come off. Okay. I'll cut it off. Oh. Ah, whatever. Come on. Ah, yeah. So, let's see how we'll solder this. Maybe if I cut a hole here. That's probably the best way. Now where's that saw blade?